I know someone's going to complain and say that I was cheating and that I didn't beat Overseer fairly. First of all, Overseer's a great buddy of mine. I'd never cheat. That's just how the battle turned out. Shatter just overpowered Orion. If it came down to stamina, I would have lost, as it was shown in that video. But I don't stage my videos. It was 1 minute and 7 seconds, or however long the fight was. I went to 7 points like I typically do. He got 1, I got the 7. It was a great match, but Orion just couldn't handle the attacks. He beat every other Beyblade that I have other than Demon King. I'm heavier, I'm faster. I think it's a little bigger. But either way, he just couldn't handle the attacks. Windiddy Orion is an absolutely amazing Beyblade. And to anyone who say that I'm cheating or I staged the video, get lost. Because I'd never do that, especially to Overseer. Because he's earned the utmost respect from me, and he's helped me out in more ways than one. So he's got nothing but respect from me. This is like his 3rd or 4th time trying to beat all of my Beyblades, and he has only ever lost to 1. But it's been a different Beyblade every time. I think he's lost to Demon King twice, because it killed one Beyblade that I never actually showed on the channel, and the other one was Orion, and the original Orion lost to Jackal, and I feel like there was one more Beyblade that lost to something else. Either way, great match, Overseer. I can't wait to see what you send my way next. Live life to the max and stay awesome.